me, Blaine from the Palmer Studio, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your own Discord bot. So the first link in the description will have, will take you to this page, and then the first thing you need to do is press new application. We're going to create it and we're going to call it, I'm just going to call it discord.js tutorial. And basically, this is just an early bot. And basically, we are going to need to go here, and then we need to press on bot and then create it. So basically, we don't need to do the bot permissions right now. What we need to do is open up your code. Here we go, we are in it. This is actually my bot, the little bot. Go and add it to your server, by the way. So basically, what we need to do is we're going to go to open folder. You can store this anywhere on your computer. I'm just going to store it in my coding folder, Discord bots, and I'm just going to call it tutorial. Basically, what we need to do is we need to click on this folder, or we can just go here, press new terminal. You need Node.js installed for this, so type in npm init, and what it's going to do is it's going to set up the package for you. So basically, we're going to call this, keep it how it is. We're going to keep that how it is, and just keep that how it is, and all of that, and I'm just going to enter my name there. This is okay, and we've created that. So the next thing we need to do is type in npm install discord.js. It's going to take a while to install, so give it a second. It has installed now, and it's set it as a dependency. So now we are going to create a file. This is just for beginners only, called index.js. We are firstly going to, now what we are going to do is I'm going to copy this code. You don't need to. And basically it's going to now log in when we type node. It's going to say if it's ready or not, but it's going to fail because I haven't told it to log in yet. So this is the time where your Discord developer portal is going to come in handy. So you need to go here to the bot section of your application, and you need to press copy. Then we need to type in here that token, and then we are going to now start it up, and then it's going to say ready. Now I'm going to quickly add my bot to server, so I will see you now. Okay, so here we are on our Discord server, and my bot just joined the server. Also go join my server if you want to. Basically, and we are going to minus that, and we are going to take this away. So now if we restart the bot, mistake. Now, if we do this, we type that, and it's going to say ready. And we go into my Discord server. We are going to go to, I'm going to go to general bots, if I can find it, there we go. And I'm going to type ping, and yep, I need to give, my bot gonna work? Okay, now if we go here, type ping pon, it's going to reply with pon. So that's how to make your own basic Discord bot. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up, get subscribed down below, and I'll see you guys